Now, when you're home, do you wear your braces when you're in the bathroom or anything, or doing stuff in the kitchen?
I have learned over time that like I don't want to be walking on these ankles and
Right.
without support. My shoes are on, my braces are on, like from when I get up to go to bed,
Okay.
ideally.
Okay, stop right here and just face me. Get your both feet together, kind of. There you go. All right. Good.
So, see, sustaining that crouch would have been a limiter. It's hard enough with the hands, but staying crouched like that, I would, you know, without like proper correction and support, I would have to make multiple tries and stand up between them, or just give up and get down on one knee, you know,
Right.
and then like work on it there, and then, right? I mean, even standing up from a kneel
Mm-hmm.
is easier because of the stability of that one leg that's got to do all the work for a sec. So that's a real difference. So, you know, the desire to rock back on the heels, I get that that's just retraining my back. And God knows, like, everybody should learn how to bend over correctly. I'm gonna work on that. So, you know, there's these things are really doing so much of the work that I used to do with, you know, my hips and just really bad approaches to movement, you know? So these are definitely helping me get out of my own way.
So that you'll walk down here. Wow. How's it feeling?
They're really good. They're really, really good.
How's it feel?
Feels really, really good.
Good, good, excellent.
Yeah. This is a whole nother thing.
You feel the differences?
I do. I'm realizing, and now I have the braces that are gonna make it painless and easy for me to get back into doing the, you know, like 5-mile walks that I was doing. This is life-changing again.
Excellent.